If you are struggling with addictive behavior, then this video is for you. Join me in tapping to release the hold that addictive behaviors have on you. We start on the side of the hand. This can be applied to any kind of addictive behavior, whether it's a substance, a person, a pattern, or a habit. Even though I'm struggling with addiction today, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself with compassion. Even though I'm struggling with addiction and it makes me feel terrible, today I choose to love, honor, and forgive myself. Even though this addiction has me acting out in behaviors that I really don't like, today I choose to love, honor, and forgive myself. And take a deep breath in and let it go, and call to mind the addictive behavior, the addictive substance that is calling you, that is having you act out and do things that really are things that you don't want to be doing. The first step is acceptance. Even though it's hard to accept myself when I'm acting out an addictive behavior, today I'm choosing to look at it with some compassion. This addiction, it has me doing things that I really don't want to be doing. It takes over my life and creates so much havoc. And even though I have this addiction, today I choose to love, honor, and accept myself with compassion. I'm struggling with addictive behaviors, and it drives me to do things that I really don't want to be doing. And even though I'm struggling, today I choose to love, honor, and accept myself with compassion. This addictive behavior that drives me, today I choose to accept myself with love and compassion. Today I choose to stop beating myself up. Today I choose to have compassion for myself. Today I choose to acknowledge, accept, and allow this behavior with compassion. Today I choose to stop beating myself up. And even though this addiction creates a lot of pain in my body and my mind and my spirit, today I choose to be kinder to myself and to stop inflicting more pain. Maybe I'm scared. Maybe I'm afraid to feel my feelings. Maybe I've been in a pattern of beating myself up. Today I choose to surrender and accept myself with compassion. Today I choose to strive to take better care of myself, even if I'm acting out in addictive behavior. Today I choose to nourish my body, my mind, and my spirit, and forgive myself for acting out. Today I choose to honor myself with love and compassion. And as I love myself more fully and am kinder to myself, the need to act out in addictive behavior will loosen its hold on me. As I love myself, as I'm kinder and compassionate with myself, I can loosen the hold on addictive behavior. Today, I choose to be curious about what is driving the addiction. Maybe I'm afraid. Maybe I'm avoiding my feelings. Maybe I have to speak up for myself and draw some boundaries. Maybe I'm holding on to unnecessary guilt and shame. Whatever it is that's driving the addiction, today I choose to love, honor, and accept myself with compassion. And as I am more accepting of myself with compassion, I can dive a little deeper and start to look at what's driving the addiction. The pattern that I've acquired to run from myself. Today I choose to be with myself with more compassion. Today I choose to be curious. Today I choose to forgive myself. Today I choose to feel safe in my body. Today I choose to bring more balance into my life. And as I create more safety and balance in my body and in my life, I can make better choices for myself. Today I choose to love, honor, and respect myself. Today I choose to forgive myself and anyone else that contributed to this pattern of addictive behaviors. Today I remember that I am worthy and deserving of health, happiness, and well-being. Today I choose to release what no longer serves me and align with practices and behaviors that are for my highest good, remembering that I am worthy and deserving of health, happiness, and well-being. Today I choose to love, honor, and respect myself. And if I default into old behaviors, I simply pick myself up and start all over again. I'm so grateful and appreciative that I'm taking the time today to release the hold that addiction has on me. I'm so grateful and appreciative that I can come home to myself today in a kinder, gentler way. I'm so grateful and appreciative that I could start anew at any moment. I'm so grateful and appreciative that I am taking the time today come home to myself. Bring your hands to your heart. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Tune into your body. Notice how you're feeling. You might want to continue tapping. As you tap, you are regulating your nervous system. As you regulate your nervous system, you will be more peaceful inside. Acting out an addictive behavior is a symptom of a dysregulated nervous system. As you regulate your nervous system, you will be able to be more intentional and mindful about the choices that you make. Having compassion and kindness for yourself is essential in this process. Your health and your happiness absolutely matter. If you need some help, if you are really struggling with addictive behaviors, I encourage you to reach out and have a free consultation with me. I specialize in helping people to get to the root cause of their addiction. It's a symptom. And as you heal the subconscious beliefs and the inner parts of you that are wounded, you are free to make healthy, conscious choices. Your health and your happiness matter. And as always, take good care of yourself. Bye now.